Yes, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to a fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, how to do your investments, and how to start. Yeah, so let me start today's episode. Yeah, so I just launched a new legit platform. That's a new legit app for only Android users. Though it's not yet on Google Play Store, but people are cashing out, and I have to do app review and show you how you can cash out on this platform. And this platform, you don't need to invest anything. You don't need to invest anything. Yeah, don't invest anything. Yeah. So if you're using Android, it's for right now, it's for only Android users right now. Yeah. So if you're using Android, when you click on the link in the description, yeah, you download the app, and when you're installing it, they will tell you that it's harmful to blah 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 blah. But because it's not on Google Play Store, that is why it's giving you that notification. But you have to click on see more and go to install anyway. It was like it's not harmful, like it's not harmful, but because it's not on Play Store, so Google haven't verified it. Yeah, but you have to install it anyway. So when you open it, you will see it like something like this. Yeah, you see that thing. Yeah, but you still have to click on install anyway, and you are good to go. So after installing it, you see it. This is the app. This is the app. I'm using it. This is the app. Yeah, so you see something like this. That's the app. Yeah, so you click on it and open. So there are several ways of making money on this platform, and all these ways you don't need to invest anything. Nah. You don't need to invest anything. Yeah. So before we go to that ways that you make money on this platform, let me start introduce the platform to you. So this is how the platform looks like. So we have Rundle Chat. That's where you will chat your friends. You can find new friends over there, and very soon we'll be introducing a new mentors on the platform so that if you want to make money online, they can assist you. So you'll find them all in this session. Yeah, you see that, and that's the Rundle Chat. Yeah, so you click on it. So if you click on it, the first thing that will pop up is the group chat. You see, it's the group chat. Yeah, this one, everyone on this platform can can chat here. It's a group chat here. And if you don't know how to read, you can even click on it for it to read for you. So let's say example,
Hello guys, everything is good, Ian.
it will read for you without you reading it. So you can click on it.
Hi, good morning, gentlemen. Hi. Hi.
You see that thing? Yeah, so it can read for you everything. Yeah, so if you want to chat someone privately, all you need is what? Just click on the person's chat, and you go here. Have you seen this thing? Yeah, not this one, this one. Yeah, so you just click on it. Let's say hi, hi. That's all. So this one is a private chat between you and the person. So this one, you and the person can only chat yourself, like how WhatsApp does. Yeah. So if you want to send image, we have image here, image here. If you want to send video here. Stickers here. You see that thing? So stickers, here's a stickers over here. You see here. Then you send to the person. Yeah. So when I come back, you see that if I go to the random chats, if I want to access my private chats, have you seen that we have something here? So let me show you. Have you seen that we have something here? You see this one? That's the private chat. and this one is your profile. So I'll click on this one, and these are my private chats. So if you open it, you can continue the chat with someone. Yeah. So let me show you how you can also make money on this platform. So obviously that we have quiz and reward. If you can't see it, let me show you this one. Have you seen it? Yeah. Quiz and reward. So it means that you have to what, answer some questions, and after the questions you get payment from it, and every day the questions change every day. The question will change every day. Yeah, and you have only 3 to 5 attempts. Yeah, for a day. A day, that's 3 times a day. So you have 3 attempts for a day. Yeah, for daily. Yeah. So when I click on it, you see, answer all questions for 100 cedis cash price. So if I start, so there's the questions. So if you answer the question, let's say correct, you get 10. You get your 10 points. So this one, if I go here, I get my 10 points. That's the first one. So if I get a mistake, the 10 points is what? It will deduct. So if you get this thing like to the 10 to the last point, and you get, let's say, 10 points, that's 10 cities. If you get all the points, that's 100 cities. Yeah. So that's how simple it is. Yeah. So that's it. So you also have to like play games. Like if you are a fan of games too, you can play the games. These are the games. So these are the games. I was in the game. Yeah. So you can play games and you get reward from it. So let me go to the games for you to see. And this one, you don't need to invest anything. Just play the games, get higher score, and get paid from it. It's that thing. Yeah, that's how it is. So let me load the games fast to see the game. The game is flip knife. So you flip the knife, and when you get higher score, you get your payment. Yeah. So let's load the game. So this is the game. So we're going to start. This is the game. Yeah. Something like that. It's starting. Yeah. So that's how. Yeah. So this game too, like if you get 20 points and you top the leaderboard, then you get a reward from it. Yeah. So that's how the app look like, and the video section too. You can upload a video over there. Yeah, you can upload a video on the video section, like funny videos, no adult content, no, like funny video, music, that stuff. Yeah. And one thing about the game, if you get to the highest score, just screenshot it and post it on your profile. Yeah, and tag the CEO over there. So like if you tag the person over there, within 5 minutes you get your payment. The same thing applies to the quiz. You can also like screenshot it and post it on the platform, and you get your payments afterwards. Yeah. And if you want to chat the customer service, there's it on Telegram. Let me put it here on Telegram, and we have like on WhatsApp too. You see. Yeah. So that's how it works. Yeah. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to join and you want to make some cool cash for yourself. This app is for you. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.